Hello everyone and welcome to Lotus Premier Education. My name is Amanda and I want to be your college tutor. All right, seniors, are you ready? This one is for you. Come a little closer. I have a secret. It's the summer before senior year and I know you're stressing. Well, the secret is I'm stressing too, because this is a big time for us to start getting ahead on the college process. And at this point, getting ahead means very little because we've got about 5 months left until the show really begins. So what should we be doing right now, the summer before senior year? That is a great question. The very first thing that we need to be doing is actually starting to work on our college applications, on the Common App, on the essays. But what I find is that a lot of students really just jump into it without making a plan. That's not what we're going to do. We're going to start by planning out our entire application and our process, and then we're going to start making progress on each assignment step by step by step. So in the month of June, you want to make sure you are working on your main Common App if you are applying to American-based schools that use the Common App. So that means the profile, family, education sections, the testing section, most of those should be ready to go. You might have 1 or 2 facts or details that are lingering, but everything else should be ready by this point. This also means your activities list. Get started, get ahead. The wording on the activities list is really important, and the activities list itself often takes a lot of edits until we get that to its final form. So get those things done and lay the foundations for them in June, and then you want to focus all of your attention on the Common App essay. Now, I have tons of videos on the Common App essay, on the supplements, on each of the pieces of the Common App, but for an overall viewpoint, you want to start by really mapping out what you're going to say in each essay and getting the Common App essay done in June. After that, the rest of the summer should be spent doing final college visits, any of your amazing activities that contribute to your narrative, and then finishing up as many applications and supplements as you can now. My recommendation is you make a plan week to week to week. Once the Common App launches on August 1st, everything will be in its final form, but a lot of schools actually repeat the supplements that they use year to year. So if you look at a school's supplements from last year, you could get started on some of those drafts in June or July. My recommendation is spacing things out by about 2 schools each week. Great job staying ahead and watching these videos at this point in the college process. Make sure that this summer you are getting ahead, you're finishing your college visits, finishing your demonstrated interest, and moving through your entire Common Application, including the essays. The more you have done before the year starts, the better of a position you'll be in. If this was helpful, like, subscribe to our channel, and come back to Lotus Premier Education for more college advising tips. See you soon.